Welcome back to another video. Hope you are having a great day. And today we are going to take a look at a different kind of LEDs. This one is designed for swimming pools. And in the past we have automated the swimming pool lights and also the swimming pool pump, so everything works automated, really smart, and we don't need to do anything at all. Everything works by its own. We also have installed LEDs everywhere. Here on the office we have installed on the ceiling. We also have installed on the shelves, on some TVs, on displays. We also have installed outside on some balconies, and I'm sure that I'm forgetting a few places. But this, why not on the swimming pool? So this model right over here has 20 watts. I will leave a link down below, but this brand has different models. One of those models is without cables, and this is something that we should have in consideration, especially if we don't want to worry about cables and we have that freedom. Now, by the way, if you are watching this video on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer and you still haven't activated, don't forget to check out KeysFan, where you can find budget official OEM keys at an affordable price, and with the coupon code that you can see on screen, it will get even cheaper. So just in case you want to check that out, link will be down below just next to the LED light. So this model, as I said, has 20 watts and it's designed specially for above ground pools. Those pools that we purchase, put it on our garden and just put hot water inside, and that is it. But it also works on any other kind of pool, like the in-ground pool like I have right over here. And it doesn't matter the material of construction. It can be concrete, it can be fiber, or it can be like mine, which has those small blue tiles. Now it will give a different atmosphere, especially if the pool does not have lights at all. And although I did enjoy the RGB and all the colors, there are some colors that I was surprised that did not pass that good, but I believe that I know the explanation for that, and I will share with you in just a few moments. Now let's take a quick look at the unboxing and the installation, which is very easy. Inside the package we will find the LED with 8 meters of wire, a tube of glue and a magnetic fastener, and also a quick user guide. So as simple as this. In terms of the installation, really simple as well. We just need to get the magnetic fastener, put glue to one of the areas, and then just select the area of our swimming pool where we want to put it. Now my swimming pool has about 10 meters by 4 meters, and I did not put it right in the center. I did select a distance corresponding to about 1/4 of the pool. So if I want to put a second unit, I will be able to put it on the other side, which I believe that would be the best for this size of pool. Once installed, we just need to turn on the power and that's it. Then we have the app on our phone. It connects via Bluetooth and will allow us to manage the colors and presets that we want. Actually, I will show you a few images right over here, even out of the water, just to give you an idea. But basically one of the things that I do notice is the power that we have. Now this is 20 watts, and usually LEDs with 20 watts, we have them spread through those stripes which have 10 meters, 15 meters, 20 meters, something like that. Here we have a really high concentration of LEDs in a very small area, which will punch a really high intensity of light, which is great for the swimming pool. Now in terms of the result, it's awesome. The pool looks beautiful. We managed to bring life to a pool without lightning, and in my case, although I do have lightning, but when I turn my lights, I'm using 600 watts per hour, and in this case I'm only using 20, and the light is even more pleasant. It's softer than the other lights that I do have. Of course, I can change the lamps and whatnot, but this is a solution that works for me and works for someone that does not have a LED installation or a light installation on the in-ground or above ground floor. So this is just a comparison that I'm doing, and the results are really nice. Now the colors that I did like the most were the ones that stand out more, and those colors were the white, blue, and dark blue. The green I didn't like that much because it looks like a swamp, so that looks, the swimming pool is not clean enough. And although the colors have a really nice impact, there are some that don't. For example, the reds, the purples are a bit off, and the image that I do manage to capture and show to you is even more dim, so really hard to show that. Now, in my opinion, what I think that happens is that my pool has blue tiles, so it will kill off those colors like the reds, the purples, and so on. I did see some examples with the same LED, and I will show you in some images right over there where the swimming pool has a white background. So what happens is that it will capture the white, it will capture the reds, it will capture any LED light that we want or any LED color, just because it does not have any other color. In my particular case, I have the blue, so the red will die just right over there. Nonetheless, the experience so far has been really pleasant. Now let's take a look at the app so that we have a better idea of what we are talking about. Now this is the app and it connects via Bluetooth, as I said. We can see right over here the brightness intensity. As you can see, it's almost on minimum, and if we put it to the max, boom, there we go. It's too much to keep it right over here, but really nice to have on the swimming pool so that we have a lot of light, which is something that we want. And I would love to have the red if my pool was white, but as we could see, no. So we can change colors like these presets right over here. We can also change to what they call classic, white, blue, red, and so on and so forth. And we can use the wheel and it will cycle through all the colors, and basically this is it for this screen. We also have the option to turn on and turn off, so let's put right over here. Now on the next tab we have the style, and the style will take us to what we have in terms of presets. So green strobe flash, and then we can select the speed right over here. And honestly, I would say that this would be great if we have some kind of garden party on a swimming pool and we want to have something crazier so that it gives a different environment. Now to swim, I do believe and I prefer to have a smoother color, like a static or crossfade, like something a bit more calm so that we can enjoy the environment. But in a party, probably it would be great. So as you can see, we have a lot of options right over here. 7 color jumping, 3 color jumping, static colors and whatnot. So it's just a matter of selecting, and then we have the option for the brightness and the option for the speed of the animation, that we can slow or speed things up. Then we also have an option which is the music option, and basically let me just select the red right over here. The music option will allow us to play a song and it will give us the animation according to that song, very similar to what we have right over here, which is the audio or the mic capture. So when I'm shut up, it will turn off, and then when I speak, it will give us this animation. The same with some noises. It's not just the voice, any sound. So we have the phone mic, and we also have an option for the external mic. And then finally we have the schedule options, which will allow us to schedule the way that we want. So for example, let's say that I'm happy with a preset like this and on red, and then I want to schedule Monday red, and Tuesday I want blue, Wednesday I want something else different with a different animation from 7 o'clock until midnight or 2 o'clock in the morning. So it depends on what I want. It will allow me to do all those changes right over here, to turn on and to turn off. And basically this is it. Hopefully the video was helpful in some way, and if it was, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there, which is really appreciated on this side of the screen. My name's Roberto George, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.